Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Windsor Junction is a residential community located within the Halifax Regional Municipality in Nova Scotia. Situated northwest of Bedford and adjacent to Lower Sackville and Fall River, the community is known for its large residential properties, forested landscapes, and convenient access to Halifax. Although Windsor Junction itself has a relatively small population, it forms part of the rapidly growing suburban area surrounding the Halifax region. Its location near major highways and Halifax Stanfield International Airport has made it an attractive place for families and professionals seeking a balance between rural surroundings and urban convenience.
Thank you very much.
The history of Windsor Junction is closely tied to transportation. During the 19th century, railways played a major role in the development of Nova Scotia, connecting communities across the province and supporting economic growth. Windsor Junction became an important railway location because it served as a junction point where railway lines connected Halifax with Windsor and other parts of Nova Scotia. The community derived its name from this important transportation role. Long before European settlement, the region was part of the traditional territory of the Mi'kmaq people. Indigenous communities traveled throughout central Nova Scotia using rivers, lakes, and forest routes for transportation, fishing, hunting, and trade. The many lakes and waterways surrounding Windsor Junction formed part of a larger network that supported Indigenous life for thousands of years before the arrival of European settlers. As settlement expanded during the 18th and 19th centuries, farming, forestry, and transportation became important economic activities throughout the region. Communities developed around transportation routes and natural resources, helping establish the rural character that remained in Windsor Junction for many generations. Although the area has changed significantly over time, its connection to the natural landscape continues to be one of its defining features. The growth of the Halifax Regional Municipality during the late 20th and early 21st centuries transformed Windsor Junction from a largely rural area into a desirable residential community. Improved highways and transportation networks made commuting to Halifax, Dartmouth, Bedford, and Burnside more practical, encouraging residential development throughout the area. New subdivisions and custom-built homes gradually expanded the population while preserving much of the natural environment. One of the most notable features of Windsor Junction is its abundance of lakes. The community is surrounded by waterways including Third Lake, Powder Mill Lake, and several smaller lakes and ponds. These water bodies contribute to the area's scenic beauty and provide opportunities for boating, kayaking, fishing, swimming, and other outdoor activities. Waterfront properties are especially sought after and contribute to the area's strong real estate market. Housing in Windsor Junction is among the more expensive residential markets in Nova Scotia. Large lots, custom homes, lakefront properties, and proximity to Halifax contribute to strong property values. Average house prices generally range between $600,000 and $1 million, depending on the location, size, age, and features of the property. Waterfront homes and luxury residences can sell for considerably more. Today, Windsor Junction is recognized as one of the most desirable residential communities in the Halifax area. Its history as a railway junction, its network of lakes and forests, and its convenient location continue to shape its identity. Visitors to Windsor Junction experience a community where natural beauty, transportation history, and modern suburban living come together in one of Nova Scotia's fastest-growing regions.
Thanks for watching!